Hey guys, I hope your December is going well. Today is day 11 and I am going to be wrapping up this package that I actually sewed shut. There is the Christmas flat mail that is inside this one. You guys may have seen that in a previous video, but I basically just took a piece of wrapping paper and stuck the flat mail inside and then sewed up around the edges. And then I'm going to take a piece of just white, it's like a cream colored yarn, and just wrap it around several times. This wrapping paper, I believe, is from Target last year. They had a similar one this year, and the glitter fallout is ridiculous. There is glitter all over the place now after wrapping presents with this. It sure is pretty though, what can I say? So I'm just going to wrap this around several times, and I'm going to use that almost like a kind of like a bulletin board type thing where you stick things, you know, through the fabric, or not the fabric, but through the ribbon, similar to how I did day 5, if you've seen that. I'm just going to secure it on the back once I get it nice and wrapped, and then I'm going to kind of feel around to figure out what's the top and what's the bottom of this package. I don't want to decorate the front with it being upside down, and then by the time it gets there everything has fallen out. So I'm going to modify this tag a little bit as well. Most of them that I use throughout the month are square, but I'm going to use my circle punch here to punch out the 11 and then create a tag using some eyelets and my crocodile. And then I'm just going to start playing around to see with, you know, what pieces I want to go in here. So I've got this journaling card that says believe, and then I'm going to use a bear that I cut out on my silhouette. And I'm just going to kind of test things out here. Some things I'll like, some things that I won't. Again, I wanted things to coordinate really well, and you know, just like all the other projects I've been working on this year, one of my biggest motivations was to just use up my stash. I have so much Christmas stuff that I am about to probably do a destash video if I haven't posted that already. And then I'm also sending out a lot of Christmas cards this year, and I'm sending out stickers and die cuts inside of those Christmas cards just to kind of share the wealth, because I have so much. We will be moving in about 6 months as well, so it's not stuff that I want to be moving with me. I'm more than happy to next year, you know, buy a collection and just work from that collection, which is what I think I'll do. So I'm using my baker's twine there to make or finish my tag, and I'm actually going to attach a Snow and Cocoa tag to the back of that says Burr printed across it several times. It was so cute, and it was nice and neutral, so it went really well with this decoration. So now that I've got my tag ready to go, I'm just going to start layering. So I'm going to pull in a couple of pieces to see what I want to layer behind the bear and next to the believe tag. I have so many tags, so many tags. I'm really bad about buying gift tags because they're really cute, just to see that if I can use them as layering pieces or even cut out pieces of them for embellishments. And so I have a ton of them, and then of course, you know, every Christmas Christmas paper pack always comes with like a page or two of these cut aparts that are like tags and banners, So I have all of those as well. So again, those are things that I'm going to be passing on, or things that I'm going to try and use up a lot this month. I'm also going to give this bear a little bow. This one is striped red glitter and white cardstock. And that December card back there, the little calendar, is, oh, I cannot remember. It's a My Mind's Eye, I believe, collection. I have several pieces of die cuts from that stack, and so I try to use those up. A lot of them have a lot of green in them, which was not something that I wanted to use in any of my decorating. So those I end up using. I think I'm going to pass those on to some pen pals. Alright, so I'm going to hang the bear there with a little glitter clothespin and start attaching all my pieces. And then I think at this point I start searching for other things I can add. Yep, there. So there's some greenery that I got from Dollar Tree. I bought a few things of greenery. I actually had originally picked up a ton and put a lot of it back before I bought it and brought it home, because I thought I was going to be using a lot more, and I ended up with quite a bit of leftover greenery. So I think I'm going to pass that on to my sister to decorate, because she just bought a new house. And then I have some chipboard here that I'm going to see if I can use any of that. And this is from a My Mind's Eye collection from, I can't remember if it's this current year or last year, but I try to use up quite a bit of this as well over the course of this month. Have enjoyed day 11, and if you haven't already, go and check out my Instagram stories where I'm actually unwrapping and unboxing all the gifts that Jill sent me. Have a great December. I'll see you guys tomorrow.